So now we're going to shift our attention away from action verbs and focus instead on linking verbs. So we've covered action verbs and their corresponding objects in depth, but remember that we have two types of verbs to deal with, action and linking. So what about words that follow linking verbs? Well, those are what we call subject complements. Although it's true that a linking verb shows a state of being, another definition for a linking verb is that it links the subject to the subject complement. I like to think of sentences with linking verbs as algebraic equations, and just like in algebra, you always have to balance the equation. In the example sentence, I am a teacher, I is the subject, and am is the linking verb. The goal of a linking verb is to link the subject, I, to more information about that subject, or what we call the subject complement. Here, I is linked to teacher. That's my job. I call that balancing the equation because I could just as easily write, a teacher am I. Yes, I would sound like Yoda, but technically it would still be true. My subject complement equals my subject. You'll notice that subject complement uses the word complement spelled with an E. To compliment with an I is to praise. To compliment with an E is to complete. The subject complement just completes the subject. When we label subject complements, we get specific about their function. The two types of complements are determined by their function. A predicate nominative, or PN, is a noun or subject pronoun. It renames the subject. A predicate adjective, or PA, is an adjective. It modifies or describes the subject. In our example sentences, we have the same subject predicate pair, I am. Because am is a linking verb, both sentences also have subject complements. Because teacher is a noun, the red subject complement is a predicate nominative. Because hungry is an adjective, the yellow subject complement is a predicate adjective. And that's really all there is to PNs and PAs. So to review the terms that we've covered today, go ahead and pause this screencast for a few minutes. Copy these sentences into your notes and try to identify the subject complements. We will go over these in class.